This is installing jet shades into a Cessna 182 windshield. Simply start with an angle, put the tab underneath the metal bar here, push the jet shade so it's underneath the metal support right there. Just push it in, push it over. Shade number 1 is installed. Shade number 2 is a little more tricky. You're going to still go in at an angle like this. You're going to make sure this tab goes on top of the jet shade, and while this tab goes underneath the jet shade, and of course it's under the metal support on the windshield. So here we go. As you can see, we've got it right here. You've got this one over. Now all we have to do is push the last one in. Look at that, slides right over. Then slide it back into position, and jet shade number 2 installed, and that's installing the windshield jet shades for a Cessna 182.